Don't start it. Don't start it like that. Start it like that. Okay, brand new.
We're in El Salvador right now.
Mary Jane just told me. Oh. Mary Jane just told me that we're in a hostel. She lied.
I love it.
I feel betrayed.
Show it to us. You
Broken.
see how close you are to the screen.
Broken.
That's all Caitlin has to say.
Caitlin's still tired.
How do you guys know that?
Oh, we couldn't tell at all.
Because you're quiet. For once. Did you get that on camera?
Get that on camera.
Did you get that?
No cameras. No
I
cameras.
didn't know about Frosty. Peace.
Oh, you guys aren't going
Hola.
for the first bite yet.
Hola. But who's over you?
Oh yeah. She doesn't have
Mukbang?
it.
I'm ready to pound this
What's
thing
up,
down.
guys?
Should I
First
wait?
bite,
Should I
first
wait?
bite.
Oh, this looks so
Is it hot?
good. Oh yes, yes. Get
Oh
that.
yeah.
bean, though.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
You like beans, Caitlin?
I love beans.
You don't. What's up?
No.
We can't
No,
start.
we need
Fine,
it.
fine. Stop it again.
Hello. Hello. Hey MTV. Welcome to our crib. If you want a view. Oh wait. When I walk in, I see a cereal. I see a loaf. And then this is our pad. 4 beds. Only I slept here. They slept here.
Caitlin slept out every hour she cheats.
Yeah. Every hour I change from this bed to this bed, to this bed, to this bed. And then there's cereal waiting to go to the bathroom.
Faucet doesn't work. The one doesn't work.
You'd rather we go back to
Yeah, he's complaining, but the other Airbnb we were at,
Airbnb. Oh, the hostel?
Yeah.
No ever disrespect.
The other hostel has working water, so.
they have been fighting since they woke up.
He hurt me. Show them.
Oh no, no evidence.
What's up, guys?
The cans.
Do you need to tell them anything
Should have cut it
private?
off there. It would have been funny if I said cut the can. Yeah.
Do it again.
Are you using that to rinse?
And that will always be known that Cyril Khan is him.
Oh. Peace.
That's just why Mary Jane's like the biggest headache of all time. Hi, how's it going?
Hi, Vogue. 21 questions.
You expecting Vogue?
Oh hi! What are you doing here so early?
Oh, I just wanted a tour really quick. Could you
mean-
show me around?
Listen, I feel like this place deserves a
Oh,
bit
well,
of
Tour for us?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Could you guys show me around?
Come on in. Come on in.
Wow.
Nice living room. Yeah, so this is where
We live.
yeah,
It's a living room.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
If you're stranded on an island, what item would you bring?
In this?
100% my coin purse. It has a different coin from each one of the countries, so no matter where I go, I have 25 cents.
Okay, great.
This buddy right here. Yeah,
Oh,
with water.
fresh water.
Fresh. Look.
This is our kitchen.
Oh my god, are you a chef?
Yeah, you wanna see what I'm making?
Yes, please show. Oh,
Wow.
wow, looks great.
El
Looks
Salvadorian
good.
cuisine.
Oh my gosh.
Come over here, we have a sink with running water.
Oh
We
yes.
didn't have that at our last place.
No, yeah, the sink wasn't.
But she did say that to vote.
This is for Vogue. Can we please keep?
Show me mine.
No, it's a complete thing. Can you? Do you guys have another room?
This is our trial run for when we all live together.
Yes.
So of course we have another room. If you come in and walk with us here,
Following.
we have a full-length mirror made of El Salvadorian birch.
Wow. Oh no, I can't be in the photo.
Oh yeah, you can't be in it, but
no.
that's fine. And this is our TV. It has Disney Plus on it.
Yep.
It does, yeah.
Nice.
Oh my god.
I saw it. And then this is where they'll be sleeping, and then they put me out there like a dog bed.
Yep. That's her
I could
bed.
also sleep there if need be.
Shut up.
I was joking. And then the best feature of all.
Oh my god, a zapper. Can you test it out? I want to see how it works.
Test out some tests.
I want to see how it works.
Please.
Wow.
Window.
Wow.
That looks
I can show you the world.
Up in apartment 3A.
Yep. All right. Thank you for the tour. What's up, guys?
Why are you recording me?
Toenails. Yeah, little spa day.
Hi.
Nightly routine, guys. How do I zoom out? Okay, I'm zooming out. Say hi to the crane.
This is our Airbnb.
I drew this.
Look how cute. Am I zooming in? You're like, all right.
This is our spread for tomorrow morning.
This is the morning
I'm also
spread.
gonna make us coffee.
Oh. Good morning, gamers. Welcome to the morning, the third morning.
That intro.
Good morning, gamers.
We're cooking.
Oh,
We're waiting.
Let's see.
Say good morning.
Bless you. Good morning.
We're making breakfast.
See you later.
Nice.
I'm really afraid of heights.
Hi, guys. I think that was
She meant to say, hey, what's up, you guys?
We're here. End of the day. What do we do today?
We had so much fun.
Oh my
We all
god.
made breakfast together. You saw in the
Is this
previous.
the-
He's not even listening.
He's not even listening to us.
We
Cyril,
made
can you-
breakfast
Thank you.
together.
We did.
Cyril made some eggs with this. He didn't like the cheese, but I really liked the
hated the
cheese.
eggs.
It was good.
It was really
you
good.
liked the
I
eggs. You
really-
literally liked the eggs.
Barbecue
He liked
sauce?
barbecue.
Tell me
Literally
hot
liked the
sauce.
eggs.
I hated the eggs. I hated it.
You put barbecue sauce on it and you liked it.
Naruto on here?
And
then-
then
I did not mean to do that with you.
we went to Cafe Albania and we went on a swing that dropped you
They tried
from the
to kill me
bottom.
today.
I didn't try to kill
CJ
you.
survived.
Then we came back home and rested for a little bit
Yep, that was good.
and headed out. Literally less than a 50-foot walk to ATV.
Thundercats! Oh!
And then we went ATVing for an hour and a half and then got on a little boat. It was really fun.
Oh yeah, we did get on a boat. ATV was a
The man
really
did not speak any English, but we tried.
They tried to swindle us.
They
What do
did
you
swindle
mean
us.
tried?
Tried.
They
What do you mean
swindled
tried? They swindled.
But we let them.
Yeah.
They deserved it.
They needed the money.
The hustle.
The hustle. He brought us all around the lake. All that work. And then we went out to dinner. We got
good.
Food was good.
Yeah, I don't remember what we had. Oh, I had birria tacos.
Quesadillas.
And quesadillas.
Burrito, mixito.
And these loaded
Loaded fries.
fries. Ooh.
You
Maybe
know
they have
res
really good
means
lemonade.
beef in Spanish?
Yeah, I did
didn't know
not.
that.
Oh, what is? Oh.
Res.
Maybe they have really good.
I did have really good lemonade.
Really
He got a
good
strawberry
lemonade.
milkshake. She
Which
got
is mid.
Horchata.
horchata.
Which
I
Cyril
ate all that
hated.
cheese and I did not have my lactate pill.
He was
How
kind
did
of
you do it?
dying, and we showered before him,
Yeah.
so he was just waiting.
You're
Then
welcome.
we have a busy day tomorrow.
Busy day,
Really
guys.
excited.
You're really excited for tomorrow. We'll tell you about it tomorrow. See you later.
Hola. Buenos dias.
What's up, guys? How are we doing? Say hi, Kaylin. It's the morning of. Oh wait, I can't flip it. The 14th day 4?
I don't know actually.
We don't.
I think it's 4.
We can't keep count anymore because we've been living the life. Today, what are we doing today?
You know.
Coffee tour.
Coffee tour.
Coffee tour. And then we're gonna see the Taj Mahal ruins, and then we're gonna see the hot springs.
Hell yeah! All right, we'll do a little catch up later. See you guys later. He started spraying me off right when I started the video.
Hi. We just had a very eventful morning. I had to speak Spanish to someone, and it was probably one of the hardest things I've ever done. I will be learning Spanish from now on. No.
Those 12 years of Spanish really did not teach us anything.
Nothing.
Absolutely nothing.
You took 12 years of Spanish?
We did take 12 years of Spanish.
When did you start?
3rd grade.
Oh, maybe a little less than 12.
Bug is so cute. Anyway, are you still recording?
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna give it a vlog time. So here, wait, I'll give you a little tour. This is our little pad, our little place. It's not on Airbnb. It's a tiny home.
No.
Oh, they're getting attacked right now. Just ignore that. And so basically today, I called our Airbnb host, and he was like, "Oh my God, I'll send you the driver's information." And I was like, "Yes, that's so helpful. Thank you." Because we're in a little town that doesn't really do Uber or any kind of like mobile transportation type of stuff. And so I looked for a bus, and there was no bus either. So I was kind of freaking out, internally, of course. And then he gave us, look at these little mini seats. Oh, these are grills. Look at these little grills. That's so cute.
Those are grills?
Yeah. Oh, barbecue. Anyway, this is the place. It's so nice. But yeah, and then we had to call the 2 drivers and try to speak Spanish to them, and it honestly went really well. Shout out to the Airbnb
Really
host.
well, it's a bit of a stretch.
Well, he understood what we said, so I'm gonna consider that a win.
Which one?
A
The
win is a
first one
win.
that we talked about?
Both of them.
Oh.
Well,
A
the
win
first
is a win.
a win is a win. And so now we're just waiting for said driver, and I'm very excited now. I was crying before though. Bye. How do I turn it off?
That red button, yep, that one.
So,
What's up, guys? It's raining right now, but there's people around, so I don't want to talk too loud.
what'd you say?
I'm talking to the camera.
Oh.
Do you have anything to say?
Yeah, I think it's gonna stop raining.
Oh, I can smell.
I can't take credit, guys. I'm gonna be honest. I heard it start slowing down, so that's why I said I think it's gonna stop raining.
Hey guys! We're leaving. We're leaving our little house right now. Welcome to goodbye to our crib. Yeah. We're going to the ruins today. I know in the last vlog we might have said that we're going to the ruins yesterday.
I've been set back a little bit.
We're set back, but we're gonna go today. And then we're
Hopefully hike the volcano.
Woo! See you later.